Hello and welcome back to the Faulks Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing my three boxes here. This will be the unboxing of the PC parts for the $500 build. Before we begin, I would like to say that I'm going to have to talk a little low. My son is asleep in the next room and I don't want to wake him. But without further ado, let's jump right in. So as I mentioned before, we have three boxes. This box, and this box. And this is the only box that I know what's in it. We have my case here, and we have these two boxes here. So what we're going to do, we're going to unbox these and see what's in these guys. Well, as you may know, this is not the typical unboxing channel. So we're going to go ahead and try to do this one-handed. So let's just kind of cut through this box here one-handedly. Okay, we got that cut. Camera work is going to be pretty crap. I apologize. Okay, so I can pretty much cut the rest here. And let's go ahead and open this up as well. Alright, we got that cut, so let's open this up and see what's in this box first. And you're seeing this for the first time as well as I am. So, this box. Alright, got some bubble wrap. Okay. Get rid of this. Nice. Alright, so what do we have? We have the power supply, 450 watts. I'm going to set this to the side. This is going to be our graphics card. Nicely boxed. Okay, we'll take a deeper look at all these in a moment. This is our Wi-Fi adapter, and let's see what this box right here is. Something within this box, so let's go ahead and open this box up. Boom! With magic, I've cut open the box with my hands. Let's see what is in here. So this is the hard drive, nicely packed. I'm going to leave this in here. This is the 1 terabyte hard drive. I'm going to set it aside for now. I'm going to go ahead and make this box disappear. Alright, so on to box number 2. Go ahead and unbox this one-handed again. Skills. I have mad skills. Nice. Okay guys, we got this cut open. Let's take a look in here as well. Alright, so tons of bubble wrap once again. Just gonna break this out. Alrighty, so we have our G-Steel 8GB RAM. We'll take a deeper look at that as well as the others. This is our Core i3 processor. As you can see, this is the 8100, as we talked about before. And here is the motherboard. Very nice. I'll set this right here as well. Now, let's open up the case. Alrighty, here's the case. Alrighty, so we finally got into this. Let's take a peek at this case. Okay, let's get this out of the box. And there we go guys, here's the case in all of its glory. I'm gonna let you hear this, as everyone loves this part. So guys, this case is really nice, I love this case. This is the Fantech P300. It is the 300, so it's not as large as the one that I had, but guys, you don't really need a case as large as mine for $500 if you're just doing the bare minimal game streaming. Alright guys, and that's where we're going to end the video. I apologize for the build not being in this video. I ran out of time. I got the parts on Wednesday, and I didn't have a video up on Thursday, so I don't have time to build this PC out on this video. And here's our parts listed out for us. We have the power supply, we have the graphics card, we have the i3, we have the 8GB RAM, the 1 terabyte drive, the motherboard, and we have the computer case. And I'm also missing one more, which is the Wi-Fi capable dongle. But guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, I apologize for it being kind of short, and I apologize for just showing the parts and not the build. The build will be in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you liked it, don't forget to like and share and subscribe. If you disliked it, go ahead and do that. Let me know why. If you wanted to see the build, just hold off on that. Don't dislike it because you didn't see the build. I'm going to make sure the title is clear, so you click this video for the reason of seeing the parts. And guys, yeah, that is it. I'll see you guys next time. I'll see you guys Tuesday with the build. Goodbye.